Welcome to our super fun spelling adventure here at Letterblocks. Today, we're going to learn how to spell using letters, rhymes, and games. Are you ready to spell with me? Let's go! What is spelling? Spelling is when we put letters together to make words. Words help us read, write, and talk. Let's try one together. What happens when we put C, A, and T together? That's right, it spells cat. Now, let's learn how to spell more words, step by step. Let's start with CVC words. These are short words with 3 letters, 1 consonant, 1 vowel, and another consonant. For example, CAT spells cat, DOG spells dog, PIG spells pig. Can you spell bat with me? Say it out loud. B-A-T, bat. Great job! Spelling with rhymes. Rhymes make spelling so much fun. Listen to this. The cat is on a mat. It wears a funny hat. What do cat, mat, and hat have in common? They all rhyme, and they all end with A-T. Now, let's try spelling these words together. C-A-T, cat, M-A-T, mat, H-A-T, hat. Now, it's your turn. What rhymes with log? How about dog or fog? Try spelling them with me. L-O-G, log, D-O-G, dog, F-O-G, fog. Spelling simple sight words. Let's learn some simple sight words. These are words we see all the time when we read. Let's spell them together. T-H-E spells the, A-N-D spells and, I-T spells it, I-N spells in. Say them with me. The and it in. Great work. You're becoming a spelling superstar. The and it and in. These are words you'll always win. Learn to spell them every day. It's so fun to spell and play. Let's spell with stories. Now, let's use spelling in a story. Watch closely and see how many words we can spell together. The big cat sat on a red mat. It saw a dog in the fog. The dog ran and hid in a log. What words did you see? Let's spell them together. C-A-T, cat. D-O-G, dog. M-A-T, mat. L-O-G, log. Can you find another word to spell? Great, let's keep going. Spelling games. Wow, you're so good at this. Let's play a game. This time, we'll rearrange letters to spell a word. Rearrange T-A-C. What does it spell? Cat. Rearrange G-O-D. What does it spell? Dog. Great job! Spelling games make learning so much fun. Spelling with songs. It's time for a spelling song. Sing along with me. I can spell some simple words. C-A-T, cat. D-O-G, dog. Let's spell together every day. Spelling words is fun to play. P-I-G, pig. L-O-G, log. Practice makes perfect. Now, let's practice spelling on your own. Grab some paper or your favorite drawing app and try spelling these words. Cat, dog, pig, log, hat. Once you've spelled them, try drawing a picture of each word. For example, draw a cat next to the word cat. Practice every day, and soon you'll be a spelling champ. Why? Spelling is important. Spelling helps us read books, write stories, and talk to our friends. When we learn to spell, we can share our ideas and understand the world around us. Keep practicing, and you'll be ready to spell bigger and longer words in no time. Wow, you've learned so much today. We spelled short words, rhyming words, and even sight words. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and keep coming back for more fun learning adventures. Thanks for spelling with me today. See you next time. What's your favorite word to spell? Leave it in the comments. Letterblocks signing off.